I did it, you guys. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I did it. I purchased officially my very first Coach handbag. So obviously this bag came with a lot of wrapping, so we'll need to unwrap this and let me show you guys because I get so excited about this bag. I actually saw it in New York City in the end of June, beginning of July, when I was there at the flagship store, Coach flagship store on 5th Avenue, and I saw this handbag and I was thinking about it, but I was like, let me still wait. It's still like, you know, in the middle of the summer, so yes, I didn't need it back then, but now we're getting into the fall, although still it's super hot in here, you guys, but I got it! I got it! Look at this beauty. This is going to be a perfect fall handbag. This is the Empire 34 in the suede, obviously perfect for this time of the year and the whole winter. Let me just take all this wrapping so we can see the bag properly. This is a real struggle. It's been 5 minutes, you guys. I literally had to deconstruct the handbag. Oh my god, my fingertip hurts. Okay. So this is her in her glory. My beautiful new and the very first Coach handbag. So how come I never had a Coach bag? I actually had one years and years ago, which I received for Christmas. So technically I've never bought one because I was never drawn into it. I received one for Christmas. I kind of like it, but I wore it 2-3 times and it was just not my style. So I end up selling to actually one of you. So I hope you still have it and hopefully you still enjoy it. It was like a nice two-tone tote with the zipper on top. So it was, I mean, it was very useful bag, but I was just not into it at the time, but it was very beautiful. So technically, I'm gonna say this is my very first Coach handbag, and I just fell in love with shape of this and I went for the suede because why not? This particular bag does come in the smooth leather, so obviously you don't have to have a suede. And I know the suede is not a practical bag, and I have a YSL Lou camera bag in a suede, which yes, I mean, it's just not practical. So I would not suggest to buy a super high-end designer bag buying the suede unless you really you know, you don't care, because the suede handbags unfortunately can have a color transfer, then they're not as durable as a smooth leather. That's what I'm trying to say. But nevertheless, I love this one and I just went for it. You know, so obviously if something happened to this, I don't care. I'm just gonna enjoy it, and like I said, and if I love it so much, if it's gonna be a handbag that I'm gonna reach a lot for, I'm gonna be definitely buying it in the smooth leather later on. The good things, the Coach handbags are quite affordable, you know, to compare to obviously Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and you know, YSLs and others. So I'm not gonna cry over it if something happens to it. You know, I hope you understand what I mean. I'm not trying to say that this is a cheap handbag because it was $495 or $450 plus tax, so almost $500. So it is not an inexpensive handbag, but you know, it's not as crazy high in price as a high-end designer handbag. So like I mentioned earlier, this is called Empire 34, and like I said, I just love the shape of this handbag, and obviously the suede is just like so yummy for the fall. So this handbag features like a very kind of soft logo, so you cannot really tell that this is, you know, a Coach from far away. So I do appreciate this feature, you know, that is just doesn't have any big logos or anything. Obviously you can take this little, I don't know, it's kind of embossed Coach in here as well, but I assume you can just take this off if you don't want to have it like you know, hanging in here. I think this can be taken off. And you know, the suede will have some obviously imperfections. This is, you know, obviously not a super durable leather like I mentioned, but like I really don't care. I am building slowly my suede handbag collection, and I should probably do a video featuring all my fall handbags. Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you want me to show you all my fall handbags that I usually reach for during the fall. So this is obviously a new addition to this collection. There is a forefeet, which I do appreciate, at the bottom of the handbag, and the back of the handbags is pretty plain. And like I said, it was $450 plus tax is 550 Canadian. Yeah, so this is quite, you know, a narrow handbag, and we're gonna talk about this. We're gonna put some stuff in, so I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. Obviously, you have a long zipper, which is great because that means that there is a big opening of the handbag. Obviously, it's all stuffed. So let me take all that stuff from the middle. They really put a lot of thought into protecting this handbag, I have to tell you, because this was just like, oh my gosh, like look at this, even the sides are like nicely protected, like wow. So this is the first time I'm really taking everything out of it, because I got it actually last week, but I couldn't make myself to do any videos. But okay, so this is how it looks inside, and this is probably, I don't know, the lining. What is the lining? Is this like a handmade material? Probably one of those microfiber, micro something suede material. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's leather. There is a pocket right here, which also has another protection, and there is some oh yeah, there's a QR code. There's some like information cards. And this is like a little tab that is inside the handbag. This is like on the pocket. So I think there's also like a number here at the bottom. So this is what was inside. And there is also, I can see there's also like a little hook. So maybe you can attach either your keys, or if you have like a wallet with the little, you know, like a wristlet or something, maybe you can attach it here just for more security. But I think this handbag is quite secure because, you know, it has a beautiful zipper, and the zipper runs really, really smooth. Look at this. Really nice and smooth with very nice, you know, very substantial zipper pull. So yeah, I think handbag itself, it's super secure because, you know, obviously the zipper. So yeah, so besides this one pocket and that little hook here, there's no other pocket, so it's nice open space, which is great. I mean, this is not a huge handbag, so you don't need like a million, you know, pockets in here basically. So yeah, I mean, so this is how the handbag look. It stands very nicely without any stuffing, completely, you know, so it has some structure, so it's not like completely collapsing, you know, on itself. And oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It does come with a dust bag. So obviously, yeah, this is like a big Coach dust bag that comes with this. And I think if you ordered from the Coach website, you can get a box, but I did not order from the Coach website, so it did not come with a box, but I don't really care. Okay, I think we should play around and see what it can fit inside. I have been using my Goyard tote recently. My work started, so I have been like carrying a lot of things. So I'm gonna pretty much take the things from my Goyard tote and I'm just gonna put them in this bag and see if everything can fit in. And I'm sure it will, because, you know, minus the music, because, you know, obviously when I have you know, large folders of music, it's not gonna fit in here, but my everyday, like, usual stuff should fit in. Okay, so the biggest things that I had in my Goyard tote was my I think this is the size 19, the one of those discontinued. Oh, I guess you can still buy the toiletry pouches from LV, but now they come in the set. Yeah, when I bought mine years and years and years ago, you just had to buy all of them separately. And I do have 3 of them. I think 15, 19, and 26. So this is the medium size. This is the size 19. And I just, you know, if I go for the whole day of work teaching at the college, I just you know, I just have a bunch of stuff in here. So normally I would not carry this like when I'm just around the town, but if I'm stuck for a whole day at work, I like to take it. So I'm not sure if this will fit, probably not. Yeah, this one, see, this one will be too big, so this will be sticking out of the handbag. So obviously if I carry this bag, I'll have to, if I want to take a cosmetic case, which probably I wouldn't, it will have to be a smaller size. Probably the 15 or my little Chanel cosmetic case, because as you can see, this one is sticking out. So yeah, this one would be a no-no, but I can take stuff out of this obviously. So my wallet, which is my Loewe wallet, which I bought in England in July. So this all goes in here. Then I have two clays, two my key holders. So this one is with my emergency house key and my car fob, so I always just keep it nice and close. I never really open it, there's no need for it. And then this one, it always like this. I should probably put it in here. This is the biggest clay, and I'm sure you guys saw it. I show you that a million times. This is the classic key clay, the smallest one, and this one is slightly bigger. So this one, I have my work ID in here, and these are my like a studio keys where I teach. So I can probably put it in here just to protect the handbag, but I could never bother, to be honest with you. So this has to go in here. I do have my this is my second sunglasses, not sunglasses, my eyeglasses, because when I play, I just need my glasses. So I'll have to take this. So this is how already it looks like. So obviously this, this will not fit. Obviously my phone will fit in here. So I'm just gonna put like a tissues, because I will always need this. I need my hand cream. This is a must. Let's put a little hand sanitizer, and I don't know what else. I have a little, this is the this is so good, you guys, by the way. I should link this one down below. This is Clarice, the French one. It's like a lip oil. It's kind of made like a Dior, kind of in a way like a Dior oil. This is so good, so beautiful, so moisturizing. So I can just put it in here. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't really need anything else. By the way, I'm gonna link my lipstick that I'm wearing right now and the lip oil as well down below, as well as my makeup. If this blouse is still available, I'm gonna link it down as well. So you guys, this is pretty much, look at this. This is, I know this is like a little messy when I have these things just laying down in here, but I don't care. It's gonna be very easy to find because this handbag obviously is not very tall, not very high. So when you open it up, like everything will be right there. So I think if you have like a small cosmetic case, and I assume, should I try my 15? Let me just bring it, 1 second. So I have these three. So this is the size 15. This is the Chanel. This is like this little mini pouch. And of course the pochette, mini pochette. And I bet these will be just fine. Let me try with the mini pochette. I'm just gonna put this loose little cosmetics in here. Yeah, look at that. That's perfect. Yeah, so that sits beautifully, and of course I brought my phone. So I'm gonna put my phone right here. There we go. Let me just zip it up. Yay! Ta-da! So now the bag is full. Yeah, I have everything what I need, and that's it. I'm ready to go. So if I don't need to carry anything, you know, oversized, this is gonna be a perfect handbag. So just to double check, but the size 15 is pretty much the same as the mini pochette. It's just a little bit, I'm not gonna take this stuff out. It's just a little bit more, yeah, it will fit in. Look at this. Easily. It's just this one is a little bit more square and the canvas is more stiff to compare to a mini pochette. And then, since I have this on hand, this is the Chanel. Obviously this is just super luxurious, but it will fit easily as well. There we go. Yeah, so if you have one of these small cosmetic case, and see, I can zip it up and it's just gonna stay beautifully. So yeah, I mean, how beautiful is this handbag? And I know some people say that it might, no, it sits beautiful, that might not be comfortable. There's a really nice, you know, drop on these handles. I think it's gonna be super, super comfortable. So this is the drop. It looks really, really good. I feel like it looks very comfortable. I'm still wearing shorts because it's so hot, you guys. It's like almost 90 degrees. And we are in the September already, so it's absolutely crazy. But yeah, I think this looks really nice. I think it's gonna be really nice. Super nice handbag. So I heard a lot of good things about Coach, in particular about the Coach leathers. So I really do have a high hopes, but I do and I will keep in mind the fact that this is a suede, and suede is not going to be as durable as the smooth leather, so, or pebbled leather. But I'm still going to wear it and I'm going to enjoy it, and I'll definitely report back at some point how this handbag is working for me. Yeah, I'm pretty much looking forward to use it. It's just something fresh. Yeah, if you are same as me, if you don't need to carry a lot of things, if this is all you basically have, you know, just some keys, glasses, and little cosmetics, your iPhone, this will be perfect, you know. And even if you have a full-size wallet, it will fit in here as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try to link this bag down in the description box. I ordered mine particular from Macy's. I had some store credit that I applied this towards, and I'm pretty sure they sell it in Nordstrom as well. So I'm gonna leave a couple of links down below, so if you guys want to check it out, I highly recommend, because my first impression is just beautiful bag. So I'm looking forward to start using it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Obviously don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know if you own this handbag, maybe in different leather combination, but definitely let me know what you think and how this bag works for you. And yeah, I hope if you can purchase one, just go for it, because like I said, my first impression is just like beautiful. I love it, absolutely love it. And I hope I'm gonna be as excited about this bag in a few months from now as I am today, you know, after using it, because like I said, I heard a lot of good things about the Coach, so it was time, well overdue, to give them a try. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye.